extinguisher which you see is CO2 type fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
You can use the CO2 fire extinguisher in Class B and Class C.
Right.
Class B stands for liquids, Class C for gases and electrical fires.
Right.
So how to use this fire extinguisher? Aim the discharge horn at the handle. Support the fire extinguisher with one leg. Aim at the base of the fire.
Right.
Rotate the valve in anti-clockwise direction and you need to sweep.
Right.
Okay? This is CO2 type fire extinguisher. The next fire extinguisher you have is powder type. This powder type is multi-purpose. You can use on solids, liquids, gases. So you can use this fire extinguisher on all types of fires. So how to use this? There is a pin here. Remove the pin, pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the grip and you need to sweep. The pass technique. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the grip and sweep. Always hold at the bottom, do not hold here. If you hold here and press, it will come and hit you. The next fire extinguisher you're having is mechanical foam. This mechanical foam you can use on solids and liquids. So the same technique applies here. The technique is pass technique. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the grip and you need to sweep side by side. Okay? Aqueous film forming foam, AFFF. And the next seamless water type fire extinguisher. This water type fire extinguisher you can use only on solids. You cannot use on liquids. You cannot use on electrical fires, only on solids. The simplest technique, pass technique. Pull, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the grip and sweep. All the fire extinguisher which you are using maintain a minimum distance of 2 meters. Okay? From 2 meters you can use this fire extinguisher. Right. Thank you. Now what to do? Support the fire extinguisher. Aim it. And hit us with. So wait. Use this fire. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Right.
So now they are using a DCP, dry chemical powder. So that's a ABC combination.
Very good. That's why we are not in the liquid phase.